Previously on episode 1.
Will you marry me, Mariah?
Oh, did you sleep with me 2 years ago?
Mariah has called me 50 times.
May I come in?
Coming. Linda, you have to get out of here.
Fine. Just get out there, or she might come in.
I've done preparing. Let's go back. My darling, from this moment on, you are my wife. Thanks for being with me this 15 years. I vow to make you happy. And I will wake up with you every morning. I love you.
Yes. I love you too, Mark.
No way. Mark is mine.
My dear, you should also find yourself a good guy. I will wait for your good news.
I did, certainly. This cannot be happening. You have to pay for that, Mark and Mariah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Isn't this Linda's earring?
Is it? She must have lost the other one, so she took it off. I only kept for her.
Sure.
How gorgeous my wife is.
Thank you for being with me. I have waited for this day my whole life. I'm so happy we are together at last.
The same goes for me. I love you. It's my boss. I must take it.
Sure. I can wait.
Hello. What is going on?
I miss you, Mark.
You are drunk again, aren't you?
Miss, we are closing soon. Have your cab arrived yet?
Shut up. Just bring me more drink and get lost.
Where are you right now?
Cheer. For our Mocky.
Let's go home, Linda.
No, leave me alone.
I will drive you home. God, you are so drunk.
You are leaving your wifey alone on your honeymoon, aren't you? Our Mocky is so terrible. I love you. Please hug me. I am too tired.
God, this woman is crazy.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's
Let's
nothing
hope your
fake to
puke
me
can be
now.
washed out.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
Why are you still here? Didn't you sleep? I'm sorry, my dear. It was my bad. I fell asleep at my desk last night. I should have stayed awake and come home with you.
I tried to call you, but your phone was unavailable. It was our wedding night.
I'm sorry, darling. My phone ran out of battery. I would have woken up right away and come back home if it was on. You know it.
I'm so disappointed right now. I just don't want to talk to you. I can't believe this is how you treated your wife the very first day of our marriage.
What do you expect from me, Mariah? I had to stay at the office the whole night, working. And for what? Wasn't that for our future? Wasn't that because you are no help to our income? How are we gonna live a better life without money, huh, Mariah? You know what? If you can't help it, just shut up and accept it.
What? What did you just say?
Don't you hear me? I said, you are useless.